Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today the question is m square minus n square is equal to 121. Now for solution, m square minus n square is equal to 121 by using formula by using formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b a minus b. Now m plus n, m minus n is equal to 121. Now here possible pairs, of 121 are 1 into 121, 121 into 1, 11 into 11. Possible pairs of 121 are 1 into 121, 121 into 1, 11 into 11. Now for m plus n is greater than m minus n. Therefore, now for pair 121 into 1, then m plus n is equal to 121, m minus n is equal to 1. Now this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2. Adding one and 2, adding 1 and 2. Now m plus n is equal to 121, m minus n is equal to 1. Adding 2, m is equal to 122. Now m is equal to 122 over 2. M is equal to 61. M is equal to 61. Now putting in equation, equation 1, then m plus n is equal to 121, m is equal to 61 plus n is equal to 121, n is equal to 121 minus 61, n is equal to 60. This is our second equation, and this is our first answer. Now for now now for pair 11 into 11. Here m plus n is equal to 11. M minus n is equal to 11. Adding 2m is equal to 22. M is equal to 22 by 2. M is equal to 11. M is equal to 11. M is equal to 11. Now putting in 1. Putting in 1. Putting in 1. M plus n is equal to 11. M is equal to 11 plus n is equal to 11. N is equal to 11 minus 11. N is equal to 0. This is our second pair of answers. Thank you very much.